They have already opened that contract, Pops. Radcliffe is the investor. He now is just finding a good contractor to work with.
So now we have Tony and Carlton vying for it. What's even more interesting is the other day, you know who else was up there?
Who that, Pops?
Trevor.
I know. Whisper told me. You saw it on the surveillance camera.
The person seemingly most likely to get it is Tony. And that will make him very, very dangerous. Because he's going to be doing everything in his power to protect that particular contract and his acquisition of it. That's his key to legitimacy.
And Carlton, the Carlton I know, is going to do everything to stop it. Even if it's just for the fun of it.
This is going to get dangerous. And we need all the information we can possibly get. Especially on that one that's walking around with Radcliffe like a hired gun. I need to know everything there is to know about him.
I'm on it, sir.
We're going to move into phase 3. Because I'm certain that this container on the wharf is going to come into play now. I have some plans for it. So I'm asking you not to do anything, not to go near it, keep it under surveillance. I have plans for it.
Pops, that smile.
Yes, I'll have a cup. Oh, you weren't offering me coffee?
You're really the master of changing topics. Pops, it's been more than 10 days and I'm worried. Have you heard anything?
From him? About him? Yeah. And I'm not entirely pleased with what I'm hearing. But I'll cross that bridge when I get to it. Grace.
Adrian, why stand? Mexico. So you think he would have won with Mexico? Interesting. What you say? So you don't know what to do? No. They're too good for you. Here what more you to do. Drop him in at the deepest, darkest hole and dash with the key. Exactly.